So for the first step, your hands will move like this. Okay, so for that you should place both of your hands in front of your chest like this. Left should be closer and right you should keep it a little further from your body. Then in this mudra you should twist your wrist inward, then out. Okay, first inward, then out, then inward, then out. Okay, so from here you'll start from here, in, out, and your right hand should be placed a bit higher than your left, then only it will be visible from the front. Okay, so like this, and you should also face it. Okay, look at your hands. Okay, so when you start from down, look at your hands, you should be facing down, then 1 2 1 2. So your eyes should always be on your hands. Okay, so first you'll be looking down, then when it go up you will be looking up. Okay, you'll be facing up. So 1 2 1 2. Let's do it again. 5 6 7 8 1 2 1 2, like this. Okay, now your legs. So for that, first you should be facing your right side or the right corner. Place your right leg forward, your left will be back. See, your left will be in the back stretched out and your right will be in this position. See, left stretched and right forward, and you will be sitting in this position. Okay, so from down to up. So while you do it, you should stretch your left leg backward like this. Okay, then your body also should be tilted back like this. Do not sit straight, don't sit like this, you should tilt it backwards. Okay, like this. Okay, so when you will be facing up, your body should also be tilted back. So let's do it again. Your legs will go like this and your hands like this. Okay, not straight but tilted back. Let's do it again. 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4. Let's do it again. 5 6 7 8 1 2 1 2. Then pause. Okay, so for doing the next part, you can cut it here and shoot the next part separately. Okay, so for that your hands will go in this position, right below your chin and left under it. Okay, legs in this position, then face to your left. Okay, so from the right you should look to your left like this. Then your right hand will go in front of your chest in this mudra, and your left hand will go like this. Okay, so right in front of your chest and left out, in and to dola. Okay, so from here right will go here and left out, in and out. Okay, so let's do it again. Out, in and out. Okay, bend your left knee, it should be facing to the right, then to the left, then sit. Okay, so from here it will face to the right, left and sit. Do it smoothly. Okay, let's try doing it again. So you'll be standing like this, then face to your left, then in and out. Your hands will move like, when you're facing to your right, your hands will be in, then to your left your hands will be out, then while you sit, put it to dola. Okay, so from here face to your left, then out, in, out, sit. Okay, out, in, out and sit. Okay, out. See, when you face to the right it will be in, left, out, then sit. Okay, like this. Okay, now let's do it again. 5 6 7 8 1 2 out, in, out, and pause. Now for the third step, you should keep your legs apart a little. So in the same Aramandi position, but your legs should be a little more apart, like this. Okay, and the step is this one. Okay, so for that you should keep your hands in this mudra, then draw a wave with both your hands. It should go together, left, right, and your upper body should sway along with it, like this. Okay, so when your shoulder move to the left, head also to the left, then to right, then left and right. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you do it together, it will look like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. You should also switch your body weight to different legs. First to your left, then to the right, then to the left, then sit. Okay, so it will go left, right, left and middle. So let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here you will go to this Krishna's pose. Okay, so for that, first your right leg will be pointed to the left, then drag it to the right, sit on your right and stretch your left leg. Okay, like this. Okay, your weight should be on your right leg. Okay, so from here, right out, drag it to the right and pause. Okay, and your hands will go like this. Okay, like very smoothly. From here it will go like this. Okay, then your left will come to near your face as a flute and right above, like this. I'll give the mudras. Okay, so from here to this pause. Okay, so when you put this pause, you should also look to your left side. Okay, your body will be facing right, but your face should face the left. Okay, so from here it will go like this. See, body to the right and your look to the left. Okay, like this. Okay, now let's do it with the legs. So it will go like this. So let's learn to do it together. So when your right leg faces to the left, your hands should be in this position. Then you bring it to the right, then pause. So by the time you put your weight on your right leg, you should be in your pause. Okay, so from here, when you stretch your left leg, you should do the pause with your hands. Okay, so let us do it together. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for the fourth part, place your left hand in Dola and right in this mudra and draw a line. Okay, from top to bottom. Left in Dola, right from top to bottom, draw a line. Okay. Then after that, this one. We have done this in so many other dance tutorials. Okay, so the same step, this one, but with your right leg, like this. Okay, so first your right knee will be facing left, then to your right, then sit. Okay, so left, right and sit. Okay, so for that, and your hands will move from here. It will go up, in, out, in and pause. Okay, so from here, in and pause. Okay, so from here it will go up, then in, out, in and pause. Your hands will look like this, okay? In, out, in, out. I hope it was clear. Up, in, out, in and out. Okay? Now let's do it together. So first, face to your left, hands will be up. Then by the time you come in the middle, your hands will be out. Then in and out. Okay? So left, up, in, out, in, out. Okay? Turn your body from left to the right. Okay? So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Then up, in, out, in and pause. So first you should look to your left. Then when you will pause, your face should be facing to the right. Now let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after that, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have uploaded the mirrored version of this tutorial in normal speed and 0.7x speed on my YouTube shorts. I didn't include it here due to copyright issues. I hope this was easy to follow and it was helpful too. If you try it out, don't forget to tag me. I would love to see your versions. So that's it. Bye.